Hi guys, so today's video is more like a vlog, okay? So I want to show you guys how my weekend went. Even though it wasn't the whole day's activity, I just decided to capture some part of my day, So I was about to fetch water because the water was not flowing for some time. So it started flowing today. So I went to fetch the water. And this my little brother was like, God, he wanted me to pick him because I punished him and he was crying. So I had to bribe him by picking him up and then backing him to fetch my water. I begged him to get down, but he said, no way. Opportunity comes but once. So he wanted to make good use of it. So this was me going to fetch my water. Our water is not actually where we stay, it's inside the house. And we have been struggling to get water for so long. We have been going to the stream. So now that the tap was opened, man, I had to go fetch water. So yeah, this was me fetching the water. So my sister and I can actually carry and then fill our drum. Okay. So yeah, guys. I mean, at this point, I wish I was having a music like soothing one to play for you guys to enjoy. But unfortunately, I don't have that copyright free songs. So guys, just enjoy my voice like that. Okay. So yeah, this was me fetching my water. I'm going to carry the black one and Rita will carry the white one. So we'll fill our drum up. So this was actually our last one. Yeah. So I decided to video this part. So many people will be like, okay, you are strong, oh, you are strong, oh, please. It's not about being strong, it's about experience. I've carried my younger siblings. I'm the firstborn. I've carried my younger siblings like this since I was a kid and doing my activities and all that. So yeah, this is not new to me. So yeah, guys, this is my bro. If he grows up, I would ask him certain questions. So yeah, we had to fill our drum and then continue with our activity in the house. So, oh my god, I should have edited this out. So this is me pouring the water into the drum, guys. Yeah, we had to quickly hurry up, you know, before the tap locks again. So after I was done, I had to go clean the hen coop. I had to go clean where the fowls sleep, you know. So this was me rearranging stuff on the zinc so I can actually have time to clean up the whole place. So yeah, my weekend is kind of busy, very very busy. From washing of our things to I mean, and I do my cookings too mostly during the weekend. So during the weekdays I can be free to do my YouTube job. Since I decided to make YouTube my business, yeah, so that's how I get time for going live stream and all that. So I actually prepared one soup before doing all these things. So I'm left with preparing stew or sauce, some people will call it, and then another soup. Then I'm good to go. So after that, every weekend, what I do is that I pluck bitter leaves and then scent leaves. Okay, so we drink it. That's just how I was trained. So it's kind of part of me. Yeah, sometimes it's not bitter leaf and scent leaf, sometimes it's different things, like we take different things. That was what my mom taught me. So the reason for this is because it's kind of makes you healthy, it keeps you healthy for the week, it makes you energetic for the week, it cleans your system, it boosts your immune system. And this has been working for me, like, to be honest, because it takes a very long time for myself and my siblings to really fall sick. So yeah, after washing it nicely with salt, you now use your hand in Chi, or in my Ghanaian language we say pusa. I don't know how to put it, but you rub the leaves on the earthen bowl so that it will actually Oh God, how should I put it to become smooth like this so you can get the green pigment from the leaves. Yeah. So yeah, I think this was ready. It was already smooth. So I would strain it nicely for drinking. Guys, this is bitter. If you know bitter leaves, you should know that it's bitter. That's why it's called bitter leaves. Gosh, this is so bitter. And the smell, God, is so, so bad. So after I was done, I shared it for each and everyone. Rita was drinking like she drank it like it was sweet. This was my first time of seeing her drinking this this bitter thing like this. Jason too, on the other hand, God, they're showing all the attitude and all that, guys. And me myself, I was trying to be an encouragement to them, but oh my God. Oh my God, I just couldn't. Oh well, I tried. So it was time for me to feed the fowls and check if they were up. So I called them and then they came. Fowls are really sensible. Guys, as you can see, the other fowl there is not mine. It didn't even bother to come eat my food. Guys, it's funny. I was like, God, what is this? Even the fowl knows that I'm not the owner. So yeah, I fed them very nicely, and Jason was there looking for trouble. Oh my God. During weekends, Jason will not leave me in peace. I'm always like, gosh, what is this? What is this? So you can see that I have a hen. It's from that hen that every day I get an egg for Jason. Every single day I get an egg for Jason. So it was afternoon already. I went for the egg and then I'll boil it for Jason. He's always happy to get his egg though. So after that, the next thing was for me to go and scrub our toilet. The whole house, we use one toilet. Oh my God, a local one. That's why I want to just leave this house, because these are some of the things that give women or ladies infections. Yes, I know, but there are precautions you can take so you don't get the infections all the time. So this was me going to scrub the place. Like, gosh, guys, at this point, as I'm entering, no talking, I'm just gonna be like this because I don't want that dirty water to touch my mouth. So guys, let's scrub together, okay? Let's go. Put your hand. Uche. Yes. So guys, you send that you say. So this was me getting my soapy water ready to use for the scrubbing. So first of all, I usually pour it in the toilet so it can actually moisturize the place before I start to scrub. That way it makes it simple for me. So I left it for like 5 minutes before I started scrubbing, guys. So yeah, this was me. Gosh, I mean, at this point, God, I hate to scrub our toilet, to be honest, but when it's my turn, it's my turn, and I don't like Rita scrubbing it. I always want to do it myself. you know when she gets to that age, probably she will help me. So yeah, I mean, this was me washing my hands so well before I go take my bath, because gosh, it's not easy, guys. So after that, I washed the broom that I used in the toilet so I can dry it up for another time. So guys, this was how my day went. If you enjoyed this video, please do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. Tell me what you think about this my weekend routine. I mean, this is what I do almost every weekend, guys. So yeah, that's it. After scrubbing the place, this is how it looks. You allow it dry, and that's it. Thank you, guys.